Hello, today we'll be making some pickled vegetables. I'm starting with some pickles. I've got rinsed and they're in water soaking. And here I've got a ratio of 2 cups of pickling vinegar to 1 cup of water because I like them a little sour. Uh, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. I'm going to bring that to a boil and let it go. These I'm just looking for ends on them. This one has an end. A small one here. And that should fit right there. Let's see. Got another one smaller. Where's the big one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got about 10 pickles in there. That one got 9 because they're a little larger. And another jar. And my jars have been put through the dishwasher and heat dried to make sure, even though these are refrigerator pickles, your jars do need to be clean. It's like playing Jenga getting these pickles in this jar. Alright, I got them in there. Let me dump this and I'll be back. Okay, I got my mess cleaned up. One of these jars is going to be spicy. I guess this one here. I'm going to add some yellow onion to it. You can use dried onion if you want. I just got onions that need to be used. before I continue, let me go ahead and get the bay leaves out. These will help them keep them crunchy. I'm going to put a little bit thinly sliced in here. Jalapeno seed and all. I'm using dried dill, and 1 tablespoon fresh is equal to 1 teaspoon dry. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon in each of these. That some black peppercorn. I'm gonna do 1/2 tablespoon in each. Eighth of a teaspoon of celery seed. And 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seed. Teaspoon, sorry. Alright. Now, back to this. Garlic. Let's make this the garlic one. I am going to smush them so they open up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do a couple up here. I did find these labels at Walmart. They're dissolvable mason jar labels. I'll write on them of what they are. I'm waiting for this water, vinegar, salt mixture to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll come back and show you me filling them. Alright, my vinegar, water, salt, sugar mixture is boiling. I'm going to ladle it in slowly. Oh, I did add some red pepper flakes to this. I had forgotten that. Opens your nose for sure. Very aromatic. Just make sure when you do this, it's all covered. Let's do red for hot. Green for this green for extra dilly. And this one for garlic. We'll do blue and gray for just the regular deal. Or I guess it's two blues. I do have a gadget here. Let's see if it works. I'll be back once I get it set up. Okay, so I couldn't figure out the little machine. Since these are just refrigerator pickles, not canned pickles, it's going to be stored. They'll last about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator, unopened. Once you open them, eat them. They should be good because I did put the lids on while the liquid was still warm. It should pop. That way it seals it a little where it will sit in the refrigerator and pickle. That's it.